So first of all, Enzo, na-interview ka namin nung before, after mo mapanood. And sobrang nagandahan ka nga sa film mo. So how does it feel na ikaw yung nanalong Best Actor out of all mga kalaban mo?
Ito po talagang akalain na totoo to. I think it's just a dream but it's actually real. Di po ako makapunta dito without the help of my family, of the crews that helped me fulfill my roles, and salamat kayo naman, Mama Maitlin. They believed in me. Sila Tatay Noy, Teacher Ina, Tita Ruby, sa lahat po na sumuporta sa akin, sila Ma'am Prisma, sila Direk, hello Fajardo. Salamat po talaga. Dahil po sa kanila, nandito po ako at nanalo po ng award na Best Actor.
Yes, you're very emotional right now, no? Kasi
yes po, like, kasi hindi po talaga ako makapaniwala na this is real.
Yeah. Is this your first acting award or Best Actor award?
This is the first reward that I ever gotten. The big reward po talaga and big movie. Wala na akong ibang masasabi pa. O hindi, salamat.
And so right now na nanalo ka Best Actor sa Cinemalaya 28th year. Is there a pressure ba sa mga next project mo? Siyempre maraming mag-aabang sa iyo.
Wala pa akong pressure but I wish na mas galingan ko kasi ayokong mapahiya sila Direk Lo. Kasi I did good at this movie, and then at the other movies I didn't do good. So parang people will be disappointed. So I don't want that to happen, and I want to further improve. Makikinig pa po ako sa lahat ng lessons na matuturo po sa akin ng pang ibang artista.
This will open doors for you, no? Do you have any dream roles pa, lalo na bata ka pa, and parang ano yung parang top of mind?
I wish na talagang makakuha po ko ng big role na papasok po sa Netflix.
Well, yeah.
Kasi I really dreamt about international lead role. So sana po one day makuha ko po.
Are you open to do sa network, sa ABS-CBN or GMA?
Yes, I'm a freelance talent po. So I have movies in GMA, I have movies in ABS-CBN po.
If ever sino yung mga idol mo sa pag-aarte?
Si Kuya Arjo po, si Ate Chai Fanshir, si Mama Maylin, si Tatay Nor, of course, si Teacher Ina, at sila Tita Ruby po.
Ano yung advice na binigay nila sa'yo? Lalo na you're young pala.
So, dami na po silang binigay na advice sa akin. Lalo na po si Mama Maylin. She calmed me in the middle of the shoot kasi po like, I was so pressured and di ko akakalain. I thought that I will disappoint people, but she went to me and then she calmed me down, and then she made me focus onto my role, and then I cried, and then I fulfilled the role and the scene.
Ano sinabi sa'yo na nanalo ka di Ate Maylin?
Sinabi niya po that I could do it, see that I did it, and I deserved it, and same with Teacher Ina and Tita Ruby, yun yung sinabi din nila, and the others. Thankful na po talaga ako sa kanila po.
Proud of you.
Yeah,
congratulations.
Thank you po.
Nabanggit mo lahat ng kanina gusto mo makatrabaho. Nakatrabaho na ngayon sa The Healing. So, any actors pa na gusto mo makatrabaho? Like,
Top of mind.
top of mind.
There's one of an actor that I really want to be with. It's Kim Chiu po kasi before when I was a child, I gave her a chocolate and then she gave me a chocolate, and then like she's super nice. So gusto ko po siyang maka-work one day.
Well, can you share that experience? Saan kayo nakita ni Kim?
I don't know, but it was just a movie. Sinama po ako ng mami ko sa taping ko. I was a part of the movie po or whatsoever. Tapos dun ko po siya nakilala.
Ngayon may movies si Kim Chiu with Paolo. So are you willing to be part of it kahit anong kasundo doon?
Wala po.
Pero are you willing to be part of it? Kung if ever nabigyan ka ng role doon sa movie nila ni Kim Chiu and Paolo?
Sana po makapasok po kasi like she's one of the actors I really want to work with.
Naka-interaction mo rin ba si Marian Rivera kanina?
Oh yes po, sa sobrang bait po nila po, and she congratulated me for like getting the Best Actor award, and yun po.
Yun. No, thank you so much
you
and
po.
congrats.
Portrayal of a boy who refuses to be silent and to be silenced about his abuse. The award for Best Performance by an actor in a lead role goes to Enzo Osorio for The Hearing.
Deserve. Walang dialogue yung bata nga. Deserve na yan. Kasi yung wala kasing best as for the meron pa. Ano na yun?
Naiiyak po ako, sorry. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord. Nagpapasalamat ako sa pamilya ko na sumuporta sa akin. Nagpapasalamat ako sa dahilan kung bakit ako nandito, si Mama Beth at si Direk Lo. Hinintay po talaga ako ni Direk Lo. Tapos na yung audition. At nagpapasalamat ako sa tumulong sa akin on shoot. Habang pressured na pressured po ako, si Mama Maylin, tinulungan niya po akong mag-at ease, and nagpapasalamat po sa lahat na sumuporta sa akin at kung bakit ako nakakayo ngayon dito. Thank you po.
To announce the award for Best Actress, we would like to call on stage 2016 Cinemalaya Best Supporting Actor, Mr. Lou Veloso, and 2017 Cinemalaya Best Actress, Miss Angeli Bayani. Presenting the award are Chris B. Miliado and Nicolo Marzano. The Best Actress awardee will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Wedding dance.